Important question from applications of trigonometry for Polytechnic and Polycet. So this question they ask in like 2008, 2006 and 2003. See, a person walking 20 meters towards a chimney. So if I'll take chimney here. A person is walking 20 meters towards the chimney. When, suppose imagine the starting position is here. When he came 20 meters, like when he walked like 20 meters, okay, the angle of elevation changes from 30 to 45. It was 30 degrees, but when he moved 20 meters towards the chimney, the angle changes to 45 degrees. Now they are asking, find the height of the chimney. So this we need to find. So here there are like two right angle triangles. So first take triangle DCB. Triangle DCB. So in DCB, consider this value, like you can consider as x. So I'll use tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So tan 45 degrees, opposite is h, adjacent is x. So tan 45 value is in the table. The table link I'll share in the description. So 1 equals h by x. So h equals x. Now if you take the another right angle triangle DCA, triangle DCA. In DCA again I'll use tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So now theta is tan 30, opposite is h, adjacent is this total. I need to take this total, that is 20 plus x. So it will be 20 plus x. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is h by 20 plus x. Now here if we'll cross multiply, 20 plus x equals h root 3. 20 plus x equals h root 3. So now see if I'll write 20 plus x equals h root 3. So if you'll see the first equation here, h equals x. So in place of x, I can write h equals h root 3. So we need to find the value of h. So 20 equals h root 3 minus h. So 20 equals, if I'll take h common, root 3 minus 1. So from here, like you can say like h equals 20 by root 3 minus 1. If you'll rationalize, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So 20 into root 3 plus 1. Here a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So here we get like 20 into root 3 plus 1. Here is root 3. Here is 1. Root 3 whole square is 3. Minus 1 square is 1. So now if you'll see here, next 20 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. So 2 times 1, 2 times 10. So the correct answer is 10 into root 3 plus 1 meters. 10 into root 3 plus 1 meters. So the correct option is 3. A ladder 19 meters long leaning to wall at 60 degrees. Okay, with the ground. At 60 degrees with the ground. So if you take a ladder 19 meters long leaning to the wall 60 degrees with the ground, they told, like, so here 60 degrees. So we need to find the distance of the foot to the wall, foot of the ladder to wall. So we need to find x. So here angle theta is here. So this AB is adjacent and AC is hypotenuse. Theta adjacent hypotenuse. So I can use cos theta ratio. Because cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60 degrees. Adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 90. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is x by 19. If you cross multiply, or you will get like 2x equals 19, or x equals directly you can write 19 by 2. So x value is 9.5 meters. 9.5 meters. So the distance from the foot to the wall is 9.5 meters. The correct option is 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a point 120 meters from its base is 45 degrees. How much the tower is to be raised when the elevation is to be 60 degrees at the same point? So here they told, here is a tower. The angle of elevation from the top of a tower at a point 120 meters from its base. So it is 120 meters from its base is 45 degrees. So how much the tower has to be raised? So just first original height be like BC. Now take till D. Now it should be raised, suppose imagine it as H. We need to find this H. So how much it has to be raised so that the angle of elevation, this elevation should be now 60 it seems. So we need to find H. So we don't know BC also. BC you can consider as X. Now see in this, like if you take triangle, first triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, theta opposite adjacent. So tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 equals opposite is X, adjacent is 120. Tan 45 is 1. 1 equals X by 120. So X equals 120. So X value got 120. Now take the big triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. See theta is 60 degrees. If you take 60 degrees, this total will become opposite. So opposite is like H plus X. H plus X. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. But in this case now, opposite is tan 60. Opposite is H plus X, adjacent is 120. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equals H plus X by 120. So root 3 equals H plus X by 120. If we'll cross multiply, 120 root 3 equals H plus X. But in place of X, I can write 120. In place of X, I can write 120. So 120 root 3 minus 120 equals H. So H equals 120 root 3 minus 120. So H, if I'll take 120, if I'll take common, root 3 minus 1. So height, how much it has to be raised means 120 into root 3 minus 1 meters. So the correct option is 3. A kite is flying in the sky with the thread of 68 meters and making an angle theta. So now see, a kite is flying of length 68 meters, means the length of the thread is like 68 meters, and I am making an angle theta with the ground. Then tan theta is, they give tan theta is 15 by 8. We need to find the height of the kite above the ground. We need to find the height of the kite above the ground. So we need to find this A, B, C. So now see, tan theta is 15 by 8. So but see, we need height. With the help of height and this one, okay, so first with the help of trigonometric ratios, so you can find H value, okay, or otherwise directly apply tan theta. So consider it as X. So tan theta is 15 by 8, which is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So if this is 15, times A you can consider, and this is 8 times A ratio, as it is a ratio. So find, apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AC square is AB square, that is 8A whole square, plus BC 15A whole square, and AC is 68 square, 64A square, 225A square, 64A square into 225A square. And here 68 square is like 68, you can do like 68 times 68, so you'll get 4624, and 64 plus 225, if you do 64 plus 225, 64 plus 225, that is 289A square, 289A square. So 4624 by 289 equals A square. 4624 divided by 289. So if you divide this, you will get like exactly, it will go in like 16. So A square is 16. So A value will be root 16. A equals 4. A equals 4. So 8 times 4 is 32 meters. 15 times 4 is like 60 meters. So the height of the kite above the ground is 60 meters. So height of the kite above the ground is 60 meters. Okay, or otherwise directly you can do, instead of taking this, you can take normal triangle theta, and this is 15, this is 8. So A, B, C. Now see, apply Pythagoras theorem normally. So AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AB is 8 square plus 15 square, that is 289. So 289 is nothing but AC under root 289 is nothing but 17. Now see, it is 17. Now 68 by H, if you write 68 by H, this ratios you can compare with these ratios, like 17 by 15. So if you'll cross multiply, 68 into 15 equals 17 times H. Okay, and here you can write 68 into 15 by 17 into H. 17 times 1, 17 times 4. 4 into 15 is 60. So here 60 meters. So the correct option is 2. The tops of two poles of height 20 meters and 14 meters are connected by a wire. See, the top of two poles, one is 20 meters and the other one is 14 meters. The tops of connected by a wire. If the wire makes an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal, so here it makes an angle 30 degrees. The length of the wire in meters in between the two poles. So we need to find this x. Okay, so see, total is 20. Total is 20. So, and this part is 14. This is how much? 14. So this will be 20 minus 14. How much will it be? 20 minus 14 is 6. So now we need to find x. Take the triangle ADE. Triangle ADE. Theta opposite hypotenuse. So I'll use sine theta. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 6 and hypotenuse is x. Sine angle is 30. Sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 equals 6 by x. So if we'll cross multiply 2 into 6, 12 meters. So the length of the wire is 12 meters. So the correct option is 3.